Hey there, food lovers! Today, we're going to dive into the world of mouth-watering butter chicken. This popular dish is a staple in Indian cuisine and is loved by people all around the globe. So, let's get started. Butter chicken is a dish that originated in the Punjabi region of India, and it's a perfect blend of sweet and spicy flavors. The main ingredients are butter, chili powder, paprika, fenugreek leaves, tomato, and of course, chicken. The dish is usually served with rice or naan bread, making it a complete and satisfying meal. To make butter chicken, start by heating up some butter in a pan. Add in some chili powder and paprika for a touch of spice. Then, throw in some chopped tomatoes for a tangy taste. To add a unique flavor, add some fenugreek leaves. These leaves are known for their sweet and slightly bitter taste, which pairs perfectly with the other ingredients. Cook the mixture for a few minutes, until the tomatoes start to break down and the spices are well incorporated. Then add in the chicken and cook until it's fully cooked and tender. The dish should have a rich, creamy texture, thanks to the butter. Butter chicken is a versatile dish that can be enjoyed in various ways. You can serve it with rice, naan bread, or even as a filling for samosas. It's a great dish to make for a dinner party or a family meal, as it's sure to please everyone's taste buds. So, there you have it, folks. A delicious and easy-to-make butter chicken recipe. We hope you enjoyed this culinary journey, and we can't wait to share more mouth-watering recipes with you in the future. Thank you for joining us today. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!